So now it's time to create our first relationship. If we go to the shoes table, you can see we've got a make field. And this make field will link to our makes table. This will be many to one, one to many relationship. To create relationship between the make field and the ID field of the makes table, we need to first create the foreign key. To create the foreign key, we need to go to our indexes table down here, and with one typed into the create an index on columns, click on the go button. Now, which field we want to create the foreign key on? We want to create it on the make field. So let's give it some nice name. We're going to give it a name of FK for foreign key and capitals and make. We want index type to be index and click on the save button. Now that we have our foreign key created, we can click on the relation view link under our table. And now we will define the relation to the specific field in the lookup table. So we want to link to the makes table and we want to link to the ID field. Then what do we want to happen with the record inside of the shoes table if the record of the make has been deleted from the makes table? Well, if we no longer selling the shoes of a specific make, if I'm removing the make record, then I want all of the records associated with this make to be deleted also, to be also deleted from a database. So on delete, I want to cascade. And on update, let's say something's changed with the record inside of the makes table, we've changed the ID manually or something, I also want this to be reflected in the shoes table. So cascade again. Once we've done this, click on the save button. Now we got the error, which says error creating foreign key, check data types. And as you may recall, I've mentioned this in a previous video, that we have to have exactly same data type for the field from which we're referring to from the other table. So we've got make. If we go to the structure tab, we have a look at the make field. It's integer. If we go to the makes table and have a look at the ID, it's tiny integer. So all we need to do is go back to the shoes table and click on this pencil icon next to the make field to edit it and change the data type to tiny integer and remove the length and values. Now save it. And again, if we go back to the relation view, now choose makes ID, on delete cascade, on update cascade, and if we save now, you can see that SQL query has been executed successfully, and we have successfully created the relationship between make field and makes table field ID. So this was our first relationship. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create the other relationship between all remaining lookup tables and our quantities join table.